Hello. Hopefully you can hear me. For a little over a week, we've been having rain storms here, and that causes me to be in a lot of pain. Muscle spasms. I've had a migraine for 5 days. That's finally gone. But now my neck hurts, my shoulders hurt, my rib hurts, my knee hurts, my back hurts, and I'm having muscle spasms. Usually if it rains one day, it takes me 7 days to recover. And it's been raining here for a little over a week. I need a break from the pain. Can't take anything for the pain. And hot baths, not helping. I usually take 10 to 12 hot baths a day. And it's not helping. And I have my air on. And it's stuck only at 53. And I need it lower. And right now, it's hot outside. 91 degrees. Yeah. So when it's hot outside, my place doesn't stay as cold as I need it. When I'm in pain, I need it even colder. Sarcoidosis sucks. My hands hurt. My whole body hurts. I'm just tired of always being sore. Tired of muscle spasms. I'm tired of not being able to do anything. Tired of being tired. Have the heating pad on. And I have to move it like this sometimes. The hot helps, but not as much as I need it to. I'm just tired of always being in pain and not being able to take anything for pain. Has to be so much more to life than always suffering every day, all day long. It sucks. Beyond sucks. But doctors figure not giving us anything for pain will help us stay alive longer. Because sarcoidosis affects all organs, nerve system, muscles, bones, and skin. It's not a part of your body that sarcoidosis doesn't affect. There's even days where my hair hurts. It's worse than getting your hair pulled. Almost feels like your hair being ripped out by the roots. Yeah. I'm just tired of this. And there has to be more to life than constantly suffering and not being able to do anything. All I can do is sit in my recliner and deal with the pain. My boyfriend tries to massage where I hurt, but there's days that even my skin hurts so bad to touch. Just a light touch feels like taking a knife and cutting me open. Yeah, that bad. Sorry for constantly moving the camera, but my hands keep hurting. And even my hands hurt, and he'll rub my hands when he's home, off and on. But even then, sometimes that hurts too. I'd rather have it rain if I had to pick between rain and snow, because when it snows, the pain's so much worse. 90% worse. Like, I want to curl in a corner and just die. Worse. I don't make these videos just to have people feel sorry for me or anything like that. I do it for awareness, so people can see what people with sarcoidosis are going through and what we're dealing with. We don't get much sleep, if any, because of the pain. And there's days where we just need to sleep 24 hours a day, sometimes 12. And there's days that we're always in pain, but some days are worse than others. So, yeah. So my bad day, it's a bad day. It's not a worse day. So, I just deal with it. Well, hopefully your day is pain-free and it's better than mine. God bless. Bye.